Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute little origami box that you can use to storage or your things, or you can use them to gift something to someone. You can use them in this way, or as a single part, or you can put together your box. And so you will have the base and the lid, or you can use it, you can create many of them and you can glue together all of these, or you can glue them in this way. Okay, they are so nice. Let's get started to create them. Okay, we will need a piece of paper. This is a origami paper that I found in a shop that sell paper here in Bologna, where I live. We will need to take our piece of paper and then we will need to fold and crease our piece of paper in half in this way, and then half in this way. Okay, so we have this line and this line. Now we will need to do fold and increase in this way. Okay, the same for this part. Okay, voila. Now we will need to take this part and go towards the center of the paper in this way, and then fold and crease. The same on this other part, toward the center, fold, crease. Voila. And we have to repeat the same for these two parts. This toward the center. Okay, and the same here, fold and crease. Okay, now we will need to create we have all our lines, and we will need to create our box. Okay, I suggested that you use a little piece of glue here and then glue in this way, so it will be more easy to create the box and for the paper to stay. Okay, now we will need to do in this way here. Voila, and the same in this part here. And here. Voila, the same from this part here, this, and the same here. Voila, here our box. The same here, we will with some glue. This is a roller glue, permanent. Okay, and if you want, you can use your box also in this way if you prefer. They are so nice also in this way. Now we will need to create this part, and so you will need to take this angle and go inside. Voila, here your box. Okay, they are so nice. You can give it a little again with your fingers Voila, you can give the form. It's a sort of a paper art. Voila, here our super cute little boxes, and you can use them as a storage, or you can, if you want, you can glue them together in this way, as you prefer, or you can use them as a lid and a base. So you will need to close together, put together your, maybe it's better in this way, because yeah, this is the right part. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.